So on YouTube. So I'm about to freestyle again. I'm for the freestyle again.
What are you looking at? Don't point at me like that.
Drama. Give me an honor. Alright, this faggot. Here I go, not looking, just like your girlfriend. Look at your mom tree, spill like butt crack. Look at his girlfriend, she spilled like a yak. No cow, no moose, just a yak. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like butt crack. No ill, cause I'm too freaking real. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like dirty pills. Cause I'm too real for this, and you know I'm not looking. Just look at your girlfriend, she's always cooking rice and gravy. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like dirty bacon. Look at pork chops, no eating. Look at pork chops, no eating. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like old beacon. Beacon off the beaker, look up the speakers, I'm beating in like the police. No girls, cause I'm going in. No deer, no spear, come bucket beer. Come and spear, come and cheer, like your bucket beer. No real, no ill, but your girlfriend. Cause I'm going in. Your girlfriend smell like dirty pills, and she smell like butt, and she smell like butt, and she smell like dirty freaking, dirty, and she smell like hot butt cheeks, and your mom try to smell like old dirty feet, and he smell like butt cheeks. He had to wear pajamas. Look at him, he look like Futurama. No ill, no dirty, no robot. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like dirty rot. I ain't about to start a riot, no light. Come on, I need a mission. Like Waka Flocka, I need some dishes. Look at me, and you know I be cooking up the dope in the club like Juicy J. In the club smoking, in the club drinking. Look at your girlfriend, she is so slinking. Look at her, I might get more views. Look at you, but you smell like old blues. Look at you, no real, no pill. Finna pill a banana, no real pill. Take a chill pill like I always say. Look at your girlfriend, she smell like dirty hay. Cause I'm not looking. Look at him, he smell like butt cheeks. Aquamarine, like Wolverine. Throw my claws out, shoot you in your head, no Mr. Fog out. Yo, she in him. Woo! Look at the girlfriend, smell like doo-doo. This nigga a bump, and you know it. Cause he is a bump, and he know it. He smell like butt cheeks, he smell like old news. Look at him, he smell like old boobs. Alright, that was it. You know, I'm out.